I sure did need. I decided to let some rich, nice people buy my art, but I couldn't figure out how to get them to play their part. Couldn't figure out how to get them to play their part. Spent a lot of money trying to buy a copy of the rule book. Wandered through Chelsea looking for the right dick to suck. Working on an art career without any clues. Working on my bitch moves. Trying to be something they can use. Working on my bitch moves. In the gutter. In the gutter with all the other art bitches. Now I'm a clown, living out all the cliches. I finally got cast in the part I was born to play. And the only people whom I might even possibly relate are other artists, even the ones I hate. I don't have anything or anybody else except TV. Those shows don't watch themselves. I'm so sick of living, but it's no fun to die. That leaves getting high and working on my bitch moves. Would it be nice if you disapproved? Working on my bitch moves. In the twilight of my desires. Some people think art should be a hand grenade in a war against something or for something. Some PC controversy of cameras or coffee beans or your family or the police. Like a protest sign you decorate your house with. And some people think it's all about how clever it is, how all the different concepts interrelate like the facets of a diamond, even though the piece looks like a ball of sawdust. But I just want to understand what happens when people look at a green light or porn or Jersey Shore, because I want to use that to make art that lurks in the dark, to slit your throat with one quick cut, to suck the cement in your blood. You're weird because it's all about the blood, our wounds. That's what makes us see the way we do, that special creative way that makes creative people so fucking special.